Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Friday, January the 5th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. One puzzle is already done, and today is the first Friday of the month, and every first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will do in the evening, but first these 3 regular puzzles with a speed test, without any comments, without any instructions. You need to train your brain to think faster, and yeah, once in a while you need to do this. Oh wait, 1 minute already passed. This is 7741. Okay, with 25 printed digits. All right, let's get started. Let me scan 6 here. 66117131. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 3 4. Come on. 4. Nope. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 3. Need a 3 here. 1 1. Come on. 3 3. No, 3 here. 3 3 3. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 1. Number 3 6 9. Need a 9 here. 1 4. Need an 8 here. This is not easy. 9 9. Here should be the 9. There should be the 9. Here should be the 9. 1 and the 3 here. That up here. 6 and the 7. 6. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. 8 1 1 3 8 1 3 here. Okay, 8 8. Need an 8 there, and I need an 8 here. Yeah. 8 9 6 5 4. Okay, 8 6 6. Need a 6 7. Need a 5 here. 6 5. How about here? 4, and need a 4 here. Come on. I need a 1 here. 1 1. 1 1. Here should be the 1. The other 8 and 3, I believe. Yeah, this should be the 3. This should be the 8. Need a 3 here. And come on, 8 1 9 2 3 and the 5. 1 and a 3. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. This should be the 1. 7 and the 2. Okay. 1 1. Need a 1 here. This should be the 3. This should be the 8. 8 8 here and 8. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 and a 1. Need a 1 here. 3 3 3. With all the 3s, yes. 1 9. Need a 5 here. 5 5 4. 549. 5555. Okay, need a 5 here. 4444 here. 4444. Okay, come on. One. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. No, 2, 5. Yeah. Come on. 2, need a 8 here. Need a 2, need a 7. 7. This should be the 7. Need a 7 here. 7. 2 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 here. 4, 2. This can be 2. Come on. 2, 2 here. 2. I need a 4 here. No 4 here. This should be the 4. This should be the 5. This should be the 2. 5, 5 here. 5, 2. These 2, 4 and the 9. Yeah, 9 and the 7. Nope, we have a 7 here. This should be the 7. 9 and the 5. Out of here. 8 and the 6. 6 here. Lot of pairs. 4 here should be the 4. 4, 9. 9. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7. Need a 8. Need a 5 here. 4, of course. Need the 1. Need a 8. Need a 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 1 box left for the 7. 7, 2. 2. These 2 should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 8. 5 and 8. Well. Need also the number 5, 8 and the 2. 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 5 then. 2 here. This is correct. The 5 here can we? Is this correct? This 5. We have a 5 here. 2. Is this 5 correct? This is question 5, 9. 2, 5 and 8. Yeah, we have a 2, 8. Okay, so the 2 and the 8 are missing here. No 5 here. This should be the 5. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 5 and 8. 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 6. No 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be the 6. 1, 2, 3, and 9 and the 5. Come on, the 9. 2 and a 9 here. No 9 here. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This should be the 9. 2, 9. We have a 9 and 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8. 1 9 1 9. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 9 minus 1 minute. Well, here we need more time to solve. This is a 4 stars puzzle. So maybe 9 minutes. Did I start with 2 minutes or 1 minute? Well, let me check this. I think 9 minutes. All right. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Okay. Well, 9 minutes. Yeah, there's one digit less than the previous Sudoku. More minutes. Need more minutes. Anyway, let's move to the killer Sudoku. Also, with a speed test. So thank you for watching. See you in a minute. Bye bye for now.